Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to fix microphone not working on your Android phone. Let's get into the methods. The first thing to do is to quickly check the physical condition of the microphones on your device. For example, these could be blocked by dust or debris. Also check that your case isn't blocking them. There might be multiple mics on your device, such as the one with the speakers at the bottom or one on the top or front. Next, we'll check the microphone permissions on your device. This should help if the problem only seems to occur in certain apps. Open the main settings app first and then scroll down and choose apps or applications from the list. Within here, you might need to tap on another option to view the apps, such as all apps. Once you see the list of apps, find the app you want to use the microphone on and tap on it. Now tap on Permissions and look for the microphone permission and tap on this and make sure it is set to Allowed. If you don't see the microphone permission here, try seeing if there's a way to view all possible permissions. For example, you may be able to tap on the three dots icon in the top right to get to this. Then find the microphone permission and allow it. If you still can't find the microphone permission for this app, then you could try using the mic within the app to see if this forces the request for permission, which you can then allow. You could also try uninstalling and then reinstalling the app with the problem, as this can then force the permission request when you next open it. Head back to this app's own page in the settings, and if you know that it's just this app with the issue, then try seeing if there's a clear cache option for this app and tap on this and then confirm it. Then test the mic out. The next method is to temporarily turn off Bluetooth, which you can do from the Quick Access panel. Swipe down from the very top of the screen twice to access this, then find the Bluetooth button and turn it off. Test your mic with it off. This will help if your phone was connected to a Bluetooth device that has a microphone, such as a headset or earphones. If this did help, then you can disconnect this Bluetooth device from the Bluetooth section of the settings app, or make sure it's not active when you want to use the microphone itself. On the subject of Bluetooth devices, using one could be a workaround to the mic problems. You may also be able to connect a microphone using the USB-C port if you really need to use one. If this mic works, it almost confirms a hardware issue with the built-in microphone. Now would be a good time to restart your phone if you haven't done this already. However, feel free to try this at the end of the video if you're watching this on your Android phone. Otherwise, this simple restart could fix the problem. The next method is to quickly test the microphone out in the voice recorder app. Head to the apps page and search for Recorder or Voice Recorder and see if there's an app called this. Most Android devices will have one. In the app, hit the record button and you will see if the mic is picking up any sound. If it is, it's likely a software problem with certain apps. If you see nothing, it's more likely a hardware fault with the mic. It's worth thinking about any recent changes you've made on your device since the issue appeared. For example, you could have changed some settings or installed new apps. If you think a recent change did cause the issue, then change any settings back and uninstall any apps that might have caused it. Next, it's worth checking for any Android updates to see if this fixes it. To do this, open the Settings app and then search for Updates or Software Update. Tap on this search result, and then you may need to tap on the Update option again to get to the correct page. Within here, tap on Software Update and see if there's any updates that you can install on this page. I'd now recommend searching for microphone on the homepage of the settings to see if there's any more options that you can check. This is just because some Android devices might have additional settings, so check any of these search results to ensure they look right. There could be other settings to look for, such as noise suppression, which might be within the accessibility settings that you can try disabling to see if this fixes the mic. There might also be a microphone access option that you can check is enabled. If the mic issue is only when recording video, then open the camera app and find the camera settings. Check that the mic is set to record correctly within here, such as stereo recording. If the microphone still isn't working, you could try resetting your device or starting it in safe mode. However, if nothing's worked so far, this probably won't help, as it's more likely to be a hardware issue with the mic itself, and it might need repairing. So if you can, it might be worth taking it to a repair shop. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine, showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Android device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.